I would start, you know, I'm going to share this to the stage here quick here, but this is something that I posted earlier is that uh, testing your backups once a year, congrats to your disaster recovery plan is officially a lottery ticket. I would start small and try to do quarterly. You can have it where you do try just restoring one or two files because that does qualify as you tested it and you know that the restore works. Make sure that you can get in there and the data is good. Um, Other months, I would say alternate, try restoring an entire directory. What's your opinion on that, Barry? Do you feel that do you feel that it's okay just to do a file and folder, like a single file and folder restore, or do you split it up, or what is your opinion on that?
Well, that kind of gets back to the first question. Do you trust your vendor, right? So, so that's kind of what we're talking about. So I mean, we test the most important files as a restore out of for like we got a particular client that has a on-prem access database. I can't stand it, but anyways, we'll test that. We'll make sure it restores and it reconnects and it's fine. So